Hello there guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Survival Russia. Today we are gonna pitch an enormous, not enormous, big army tent. I think it's for 30 persons or something like that. We're gonna pitch it right here. We're gonna pitch it with Slava there, my buddy. He's here for his house, the house we took down during the winter and blah blah blah. But we have the tent in the little Survival Russia vehicle here, because it's of course a very big tent and very heavy. So let's just get to it. But before we start, I would of course like to encourage you to support the channel if you feel like it. If you're able to, you can purchase some channel merchandise and so on. There'll be links in the description for that, because all help is very needed. And as I said in the past few videos, we have me and Slava, we have a project coming up, a channel project that's going to be pretty darn awesome, and it has something to do with this tent here, of course. There's actually just one viewer complaining a little bit about the content. I don't want to mention his name, but just take it easy. You know, where's the camping? Where's all this shared knowledge and so on? So the past few videos he's been bitching a little bit about this and that, but it is what it is. This is not like a channel set up for YouTube. This is real life, right? Right now I cannot go camping. I have stuff to do right at the homestead here. So just sit down and relax and take it easy, buddy, right? Let's get on with it. So here is the layout. We have the bag with all the joints and strings and tent pegs and stuff. Here we have the tent itself in a big bag made of what appears to be the same material as the tent. Oxford, PU, blah blah blah. There'll be links in the description to the tents, of course. Windows, door, and the frame. The tent we're gonna put up, or not put up, we're gonna lay it out there. Yeah, then I think I'm gonna try and make a time lapse out of this a little bit. I would of course like to mention that this tent, Bereg in Yekaterinburg, they sent to me around Christmas or something like this, or January, as a present. I didn't know that they sent it to me. And it was in the big city, 250 kilometers from here, and I had no idea how to get it here. But we got it here, and now's the time to pitch it. So if you guys in general are interested in the tents from Bereg, there'll be links in the description. There'll most likely be a pinned comment as well to the guys in North America, Canada, and in the US, Russian bear market. They have both imported quite big amount of tents from Bereg to Canada and the US, so check them out if you're interested in some of their products, because they make good stuff. They make good stuff, handmade, no robots, not made in China, anything like that. Here we have the bags for the frame. They're made for 3 persons, you can see. One handle there, one in the middle, and one in the end. Those bags there, they're pretty heavy. I say about 40-50 kilos each or something. It's not a lightweight tent by any means. We have some heavy duty tent pegs here. They of course go through these feet and blah blah blah. I'll show you that later, but I think I've been covering for the beginning here what I wanted to cover. So we actually managed to get this tent up and running, 2 guys. Now we just have to attach the guy lines and all that good stuff. And we could of course have done that while we had the tent itself on the ground, but we didn't. But here we have the little survival Russia vehicle. Just to give you an idea about the size of the tent, we can actually park the gator in here if need be. You see, this camera is not so awesome in low light, but let's see how it goes anyway. And this is an actual Russian army tent. It's not a lookalike or anything like that, it's an army tent. And there's a place for 2 stoves there. But we have to crack on with it, not too much light left. Alright there guys, so the tent is pitched. Everything is strapped down and clamped down as it's supposed to be. The roof is stretched out, and yeah, it's a few days later. We had some good rains, everything is awesome. I just need to pound in one of these, the last tent peg here. Lots of space. These pegs here, you can see, they sit down there at the end of the bottom of the frame. We have a little foot. You can see there's a triangular cutout there. We just have to mount this guy here, something like that. And we have this little hammer, which was supplied in the kit. It's gonna be very interesting to remove those pegs again. I'm pretty sure. But that's basically it, guys. I think I'll just sign out from here. Of course, I'll do a review on the tent at some point. It was just like, yeah, pitching the tent. First impressions, super awesome, super sturdy, I'm pretty sure. So guys, please check the links in the description. Please consider supporting the channel and all that good stuff. And until next time, get out and train, get it done, do something awesome. See you in the next video, guys, and thank you very much for your time.